So I went ahead and ordered the dough boxes from Amazon. The package looks really intact. So I'm gonna open it and see how it looks. Just pull this lever and then the box will open. This is how the dough box looks like. There are 2 lids and 2 boxes. So the brand is GSM brands. Pizza dough box. This is the model number. And let's cut the plastic back and see how this looks. These are the lids. Looks really sturdy and very thick. This is the first lid. This is the second lid. And this is the first box. And this is the second box. So this is about 17 inch in length, 13 inch in width, and about 3 inch height. It's just closed properly. It doesn't click in. It just closed like that. So if you want to stack, it will stack on top of each other like that. But if we don't want to stack, we can just put the lid on the first one and then put the lid on the second one. Put the lid on the first one like that. And then put the lid on the second one. It's pretty good. It's shiny so that the dough doesn't stick to it.